Welcome back, everyone. Recently, one of my friends was at his flea market and bringing in some new stock, and he saw this sitting on a shelf in someone else's booth. He did some wheeling and dealing and then brought it to me. And of course, I traded a handful of records that I had for it. I came out good, he came out good, everybody was happy. Let's take a look at the box. 1966 copyright, Darryl Starbird. By the shape of this box, I think it is a original issue. I don't think it is a reissue. Beautiful artwork. Now, let's see what's inside the box. Chrome tree looks like it has a couple pieces off of it. Multi-piece body. Looks like it has opposable front suspension. And that glorious bubble top. Look at those seats. '56 Buick motor. Isn't that cool? That's the steering wheel. That is the modified 55 Chevy frame, apparently. White wall slicks. Crazy sectioned interior. There's one of those seats. It looks like someone started the motor. Did some painting. Really old Tester's paintbrush. I'm always glad to see something cool like this be added to my collection. I may finish this build one day. If not, it'll just sit as it has for the past 50 plus years. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe.